Have you been having terrible experience when trying to cut a fringe just like this person? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be showing you the perfect and accurate way to cut a fringe. You won't make any mistake. It won't be too short, it won't be too long, it will just be perfect. I know you don't want your fringe looking like this or like this or this. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover. In this channel, I talk about anything about hair care, hair tips, and many other more. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into the details. First and foremost, you need to straighten out your fringe parts. You need to style it first. You need to straighten it first. And how do you do it? You put your heat protector spray and you lay it flat. You press it flat to the front, to the side, and to the back. The moment you're waiting for is here. So to get this perfect fringe, first and foremost, where you make your first mistake is where you bring out the hair you want to cut. When you bring out too much hair, if it's wider than normal size, you should bring out your fringe, it will just look very, very bad. So you need to know the exact size to bring out before cutting. So the exact size to bring out before cutting is usually between 3 inches to 4 inches, depending on how big the person's head is. So with this measurement, you get a very, very accurate fringe size that will fit the forehead of the person. It won't be too wide and it won't be too short. When you are done getting the accurate size, then you go ahead to twist the parts you brought out to cut. You twist it, then you measure out 6 inches from the center and you cut it. And this is what your fringe should look like. 6 inches is actually the perfect measurement for your fringe. From the center to where your fringe should be is actually the perfect measurement. 6 inches. You can get a tape rule and measure from the center to right to your forehead, and you'll see this is just the perfect measurement for a fringe. If you do it this way, you're getting nothing but a flawless fringe cut. After that, you take your hot iron, then you bob it in. You straighten it inward and you should get something perfect just like this. No mistakes, not too long, not too short, just perfect and accurate. Will you be trying this method when next you want to cut a fringe? Let me know in the comment section. Or have you tried this measurement method before? Let me know in the comment section as well. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to your stylists that need this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.